Are you looking for a new Rubik's Cube, or are you a Rubik's Cuber? I would definitely suggest this 4x4 Rubik's Cube, expertly put together by my son. We have multiple Rubik's Cubes in our house. After months of perfecting the normal Rubik's Cube, we decided to up his game by this 4x4, and definitely a little bit more of a challenge, but great for anyone who loves a Rubik's Cube. Okay, this is what
and after one use.
Yeah, after one use, go ahead. I don't think it's of merchantable quality. Could we please have a refund? And do you want the pieces back? Thank you.